Hello geometry students, this is Mr. Salas coming to you live from a top secret location. Today we're going to be working on the Unit 2 study guide videos, or problems, sorry. We're going to be looking at problem number 1. It says, prove that a segment HK is congruent to a KF. So we're going to write a proof, and like any proof we have to keep it professional, so I'll just write proof, and then I'll put a little colon there, and I'll say, what do we know? Well, we know EF and HG are parallel because opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. Whoops. How do I know this? Well, if you look at your angle side angle notes in the back of the handout, we took notes on what it means to be a parallelogram. One of these conjectures happens to say the same exact thing I just wrote down. So, what do we consider the diagonal HF? Well, if we pay attention to our rhombus or a parallelogram, we can say diagonal HF is a transversal. It's a transversal. Okay, we stated what HF is. If EG cuts perfectly in half through HF, what can we call that? So I'm going to call segment. So segment EG is a what? Bisector of HF. So HK is half of HF. Okay, we're following along. If HK is half of HF, comma, then guess what? KF is also half of HF, period. Okay, let me fix the little line right here. Perfect. Okay, so now we stated that if HK is half of HF, therefore because EG is a bisector, then KF is also another half. So we can wrap this up saying, therefore, HK is congruent to KF, period. And that is my proof. That is it for number 1. Let me move this a little bit lower just in case you might not be able to see it. Whoops. Give me 1 second. There we go. I think I managed to move it a little bit. Sorry for the technical difficulties. There we go. I moved the proof. If you have any questions about this proof or would like to further understand this proof, go ahead. Feel free to stop this video, play it over again, or just stop the video and come ask me personally. I'll be walking around to see if y'all need help, okay? See you in the next video.